The Jetson One has quickly turned into one of the most talked about personal aircraft in the world right now, and people in the US just can't seem to get enough of it. Demand has been so strong that all production slots for this year and next are already gone, with new buyers now looking at deliveries as far out as 2028. That's a pretty big deal for something that costs close to $150,000. But it clearly shows how excited people are about personal air mobility. What's even more interesting is how fast this company has grown. Jetson, which started back in 2017, is heading into a huge phase right now. They've already crossed more than 650 units in sales, adding up to around $100 million in value. After a few delays along the way, the Jetson One has finally entered full production, and real customers have started receiving their aircraft. One of the first deliveries actually went to Palmer Luckey, the founder of Anduril Industries, which made that moment even more exciting. Since then, more deliveries followed through 2025, and things are only picking up speed. Around 100 customers are expected to receive their own eVTOL this year, showing just how far things have come in a relatively short time. Even with the price going up from $128,000 to $148,000, interest hasn't slowed down at all. In fact, the Jetson One continues to be one of the most popular eVTOL aircraft out there, especially after the company expanded its presence into the US events like UP.Summit, helped boost its visibility even more, where people got to see it fly solo and check it out up close. A lot of the current focus is on building stronger engineering teams and improving the overall customer experience, especially in California. And the vision for the future is starting to look very real. The company's founder, Tomasz Patan, recently showed what that future could look like with a casual flight from his driveway straight to a beachside restaurant. It wasn't just a demo, it felt like a glimpse into everyday commuting in the years ahead. Another big reason why the Jetson One is gaining so much attention is how accessible it is. It's classified as a Part 103 ultralight vehicle in the US, which means you don't need a traditional pilot license to fly it, just some basic training. Of course, there are still rules and limitations on where you can go, but it opens the door for regular people to actually experience flying an eVTOL themselves, not just watch it from the ground. All of this momentum shows that personal flight isn't just a futuristic idea anymore. It's already here and it's only getting bigger.